Adding and finding a patient on Cellmaflex. Visit user.cellmaflex.com to view your appointments. Log in using the same credentials as your Cellmaflex Premium account. On the home page, the blue band indicates your user role and who you are logged in as. The clinic name will be visible below. Click on the patient module. On this screen, you can search for a patient via first name, last name, or barcode, etc. Enter the patient's name. I have used Paul. Click on Search. If the patient does not exist, you will need to create a new patient by clicking Add Patient. Fill out the patient's demographics on the left-hand side of the screen. This includes first name, surname, date of birth, and gender. It is also advised that you provide a means of contact. Check for duplicate patient. After the duplicate check, you can select Create a Patient. Review the patient details and Save Patient Wizard page. Select line 1 and populate the patient address. Click Finish and proceed to the final page to double-check patient details. Complete adding your patient by hitting Save at the bottom right of the page. To find a patient, click on Cellma Home at the top right corner of the screen. Close the contact pop-up. Open the patient module and search for your patient. From here, you can now open and edit the patient's information.